Leadfoot Driveway. I've had 3 goes. This will be my 4th one. As you can see, it's raining. Something I didn't know about Leadfoot Driveway is it's covered in rubber, which makes sense, but rubber with water over the top is really slippery. So I've gone from the trying to drive up quickly to the trying to drive up fun. And on the last lap, goal achieved. It was a lot of fun. Thanks, mate. Yeah, that was fucking rad. Woo. Jesus, this thing's fucking fun. Holy fuck.